Hi guys, welcome to DLM Studios. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add concrete fascia to your design, your roof design, and how to create various types of sweeps in your design. Stay tuned and let's get started. Now, before we continue, this is where we stopped in our previous video on how to add flat roof to your design and how to add the fascia board that will support the flat roof. Now, if you come to this 3D view up here, once the view loads, press your shift key and middle mouse button to rotate around the screen. You see how design will be working on. If you want to get how this project started from the beginning, you can check my previous videos on the playlist. There you see how this project started from the beginning, from the ground floor plan to where it is now. Now this is the level we are. Let's say we want to change this kind of roof design and we don't intend to use this kind of flat roof design or this fascia board here. Now what we will do is just to click on the ones that was existing before. I can delete it and delete it. Now we have this. Now to add our sweep, which is also called the concrete fascia. Concrete fascia will be added to the edges of the wall, then we'll place our roof on the concrete fascia. Now the first thing we'll do now to get started is to come to this component, and this component icon, click on this arrow button below. You see model in place, click on model in place. By the time you click on model in place, it will give you another option here. This is called family category parameters. We'll go down to roofs. Okay, now we'll give it the name concrete fascia. Then you click on OK. Now it will load this new set of tools for you to create your roof design, your concrete fascia design rather. Now you click on sweep. Under these forms we have extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep. In next videos and upcoming videos you will see how to make use of all this design, all these tools here, but for now we'll be making use of the sweep tool. Now click on sweep. It loads another set of tools for you. You come here to pick parts. Once you've picked the part, you pick just the 3D edges. Take note please, the 3D edges alone. Pick 3D edges, that's this here. It's always on by default, but in case it's off, you can just turn it back on by clicking on it. Now come out here, the parts you want your sweep to follow, you click. Make sure it's at the external edge of the building. Click. All edges of the building. Okay, now we've done this, just click on this OK. But we have an error message here which says more than one loop not allowed. Click on continue. Now if you notice, like I said in the previous video, Revit works in loops. I must have a full closed loops. Here you have an intersect here. Here it's not connected to this line here, so we have to find a solution to it. That's very simple. I will come under this modify, look for this trim and extend to corner. You click on it, the first line and the next line, you see it has adjusted automatically to the corner. Same thing applies here. You do it for all corners of the building. Now once the loop has gone around all corners of the building and it's a single closed loop, you click close. That's the green button. Now if you notice that pink line has turned black, so this is the path our profile will follow. Now you can come back here to click select profile. It will highlight this for you automatically. Then either you create profile by sketch, or you edit your profile, or you load in new profile. Now if you want to create, there are some default profiles here. You want to make use of them, but for the sake of this course we'll be creating our own profile. So you come down here to edit profile. Now you zoom in, the middle mouse button, that scroll button, use it to zoom in. Once you've zoomed in, you can just adjust the screen so you'll be able to see this profile very well. Now hope you're following this. Now once I'm able to see this profile very well, come to this draw icon, click on this line. Once I click on this line, I will start from this origin because my sweep is starting from this edge. Click, extend it by, let's say, 50 mm, that's 2 inches. Click. Now you can just design your profile. Now let's say the height should be like 500 mm. That's up here. It's fine. You press escape. If your kind of profile you'll be creating is left to you actually, so just try and visualize something. Let's say it comes out by 550 mm. Now let's just do a small design, 50 mm. Enter. Now what I'm doing is I'm not clicking on anything, I'm just adjusting my movement. If you're hearing, I'm not getting any click sounds at this point. I'm just making the movement adjust to the point or direction I want it to go, and I'll type in the distance, 50 mm, enter. Come down, 50 mm, enter. Again like that. So it's not like I'm actually clicking anything. Enter. Next direction, 50 mm, enter. Okay, I think this is fine. Yeah. Now press escape to cancel, or you click on this modify icon, but pressing escape on the keyboard may be faster for some of us. Now click on this, at this down part, go up by 50, enter, 50, enter. Again, just make sure it's straight and it's going in a direction. Then last one, 50 mm, enter. Now to connect these points together, I'll be using an arc, and I'll be making use of the 3-point arc here. Once I click on this, click on the first point and the last point here, then I'll adjust it to form profile. This is our sweep profile. Click OK. And once we have this already, click OK. Now if you notice this, just click out. Let's just shift and use your middle mouse button. You have this profile and you're building edges already. I think this is very fine. Now the kind of profile you create is not just necessarily the type I created. You can create any type of profile you choose to make use of depending on your design and everything. Now let's edit this material. Let's change it from this dark gray or something. Now you click on it, you come back here under these properties, materials and finishes, material, click on this material, click on this small icon here, and to load your material library for you. Now this is the material library or material browser. Let's see, I'll create a new material. Click on this word icon down here, click create new material, use render appearance identity. Let's call this concrete fascia. Okay, graphics, render appearance, and the appearance, let's just make it white. Okay, now you noticed it's just plain white. And finish. Now that's just how to add your concrete facial to your design. Stay tuned for the next videos where I'll be adding roof to this design and I'll be adding ceiling. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.